Alright, I'm going to try to do this. I apologize for the camera moving around so much, but I'm trying to hold the steering wheel on my lap and the screwdriver and hold the phone at the same time. This is a screwdriver from like an eyeglass repair kit. It's the smallest one I have. I'm just going to try to show you guys if I can actually do this. Yep, so just like that little yellow connector. I don't know if you can see it, but it just did raise itself out of the body, just like that. And then I'm going to take just a slightly, larger screwdriver, and just very carefully, oh, there it goes, just separated. So here's that connector that was in there, and then here's the airbag, and that's how it's done.